Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about homeopathic medicine which is helpful in the treatment of constipation. I'd already done so many videos on constipation. So, as a homeopathic drug, we have so much of medicine for constipation. Only indicators of the same drug I'll be doing. In the upcoming videos, of course, I'll be comparing the remedies also during the constipation, which all you can take. Means constipation 4 remedies, how you can differentiate like that. Myself, Dr. Megha from Yogic Homeo Science. If you are not watched or if you are new to our channel, please do like and subscribe and don't forget to press on the bell icon. So today, homeopathic medicine for the treatment of constipation I will be talking about is Calcarea carbonicum. What is Calcarea carb? What is Calcarea carb is that it is from our mineral kingdom and it is the middle layer of the ostrich shell. From there the Calcarea carb extraction is being done. So, what all places the Calcarea carb is affecting? What are its clinicals? It is an vast remedy. It is a polycrust. It acts on all kind of from head to toe. Abdominal disorders, acidity, anemia, bone affection, breast affection, cough, dentition, diabetes, diarrhea, dropsy, dyspepsia, eye troubles, epilepsy, fever, glandular affection, headache, leukorrhea, lung affection, menstrual disorder, miscarriage, pregnancy disorders, respiratory troubles, rheumatism, ricket, skin affection, uterine affection, vertigo, worm infestations, or worm troubles in children. These are the clinicals of the Calcarea carb where you can really treat all kinds of diseases. Moving on to the sphere of action. The main sphere of action of Calcarea carb are bone, glands, blood, skin, mind and female genital organs. Moving on to the with heat and cold, the Calcarea patients are very chilly. Chilly means chilly. And they cannot take cold in any form. So that is Calcarea carb. Moving on to the keynote symptom of Calcarea carb, the patient has very great sensitiveness to take cold, gets frequent coryza which is chronic in nature and soric in origin, and cannot tolerate cold in any form because they are very chilly. And next is that disposed to grow fat. Sweat stage. Sweat of Calcarea carb is very characteristic. Head sweats profusely while sleeping, wetting the pillow far around. Profuse perspiration mostly on back of the head and neck or chest and upper part of the body. Sweat is sour smelling, raw of soles means rawness of the soles and feet from perspiration. Offensive foods, sweat is also kind of sin. Everywhere the sweat is very offensive. Coldness in general and the single part of the parts, that is head, stomach, abdomen, feet and legs, habitually like cold and damp weather also. Cold in bed, aversion to cold open air. Feels better in every way when constipated. Stool has to be removed mechanically. This is one of the peculiar symptoms of Calcarea carb, which we'll be talking about constipation. Calcarea is excellent remedies for almost all kinds of symptoms. The patient desires and likes to be means guided. All discharges smell sore, vomit, diarrhea, sweat, everything. Longing for eggs, especially during sickness. What is the mind symptoms of Calcarea? Calcarea carb is always kind of means they are worse towards evening, fear of darkness, loss of reason, fears fear is the main complaint of the calcarea carp. They are very forgetful, they are very anxious, and they does not like to talk, and they are peevish and palpitation before going to anywhere or doing the extra work. So this is all about the calcarea carp. Moving on to the constipation of calcarea carp. What are the calcarea carp constipation symptoms? Moving on to the constipation of calcarea, the abdomen will be coming to know. The abdomen is a little bit pot like bellied and is very sensitive to lightest pressure. Liver region is very painful, aggravated by stopping, and there is also an means very heaviness of the abdomen. There is increased disposition of fat in the abdomen with so much of distension of the abdomen and the hardness of the abdomen. Stool. How the look of the stool is. Calcarea carp patient is habitually constipated and the patient feels better in every way when constipated, because they are feeling better only when they are constipated. If the stools are like diarrhea, they feel like okay, something bad has happened to us. But when I does not pass my stool, when the stool is inside my abdomen, I feel better like that. Habitual constipation is also seen. However, there may also be an occasional diarrhea, especially in children during dentition period. The character of stool is white and sour smelling. This is the character of the stool. Whereas this is all about the constipation of the calcarea carp. Calcarea carp patients are rarely longing for the eggs, especially during the sickness and undigested things like chalk, like that, and they have very much aversion towards the meat. This is one of the peculiar symptom of calcarea carp. The patient who says that I cannot take milk in any form, but I can take the eggs. That time you can think of calcarea carp if the physical makeup of the calcarea carp and the symptoms are been matching. Moving on to the general modalities of the calcarea carp. What are the betterment factors and what are the factors which make the calcarea carp really feel bad? Whereas a calcarea carp patient are aggravated from cold air, wet weather, cold water, from washing in morning during full moon. What are the betterment thing? What are the amelioration factors? Lying on painful side. It is also seen in the bryonia and the pulsatilla. So it is one of the amelioration factors. And calcarea carp is really a chronic of belladonna, and it really kind of plays a very good role in all the uh, parts of the body. So you can give for the calcarea carp in various kinds of things like babies, bone symptoms, urticaria, leukorrhea, and constipation, during menses problem, and bronchial asthma, cough, and stomach symptoms, any kind of stomach symptoms, mind symptoms. When they are having so much of fear, you can think of calcarea carp. Okay guys, that's all for this video of homeopathic medicine in the treatment of constipation. Myself, Dr. Megha from Yogic Homeo Science. Thank you for watching. Please do supporting us like this.